Are you looking to upgrade your home with beautiful, energy-efficient windows that don't break the bank? Double-hung window replacement in Ferndale could be the perfect solution for homeowners looking for quality, functionality, and affordability. Double-hung windows are a classic choice for many homes, providing both aesthetic appeal and versatility, all while increasing the energy efficiency of your property. Whether you're renovating an older home or simply upgrading your existing windows, affordable double-hung window replacement services in Ferndale can help transform your living space while saving you money in the long run. Why choose double-hung windows? Double-hung windows are a popular choice for a reason. Unlike single-hung windows, which only allow the bottom sash to move, double-hung windows have both the upper and lower sashes that can be opened, providing excellent ventilation. They're ideal for homes where air circulation is important, especially in areas like kitchens and bedrooms. Double-hung windows also have the added benefit of being easy to clean. Since both sashes tilt inwards, homeowners can clean the exterior of their windows without needing to climb a ladder, making maintenance a breeze. Moreover, double-hung windows offer improved energy efficiency. Their design includes a tight seal when closed, reducing drafts and preventing heated or cooled air from escaping. This can help lower your energy bills and keep your home comfortable throughout the year. If your current windows are outdated or inefficient, replacing them with new double-hung windows can be a cost-effective way to increase the overall value of your property. Affordable window replacement in Ferndale. Homeowners in Ferndale who are interested in replacing their windows often worry about the cost, but affordable double-hung window replacement services can offer a solution that fits within your budget. Local window replacement professionals understand the unique needs of Ferndale residents and can offer tailored services that maximize your investment. Whether you need a single window replaced or a full home window replacement, these experts provide various pricing options to suit your needs. Many window replacement companies in Ferndale offer budget-friendly solutions without compromising on quality. By working with local businesses, you can benefit from lower labor costs and personalized service that's harder to find with larger, national window companies. These professionals will help you choose the right materials, colors, and finishes to ensure your new windows perfectly complement your home's style. Additionally, many companies offer free consultations, allowing you to get a clear estimate before you commit to any services. Energy-efficient benefits. One of the most compelling reasons to replace your old windows with energy-efficient double-hung windows is the potential for significant savings on your energy bills. Older windows, particularly those with single-pane glass, are notorious for allowing heat to escape in the winter and letting hot air in during the summer. This means your HVAC system works harder to maintain a comfortable temperature, resulting in higher energy costs. Double-hung windows, especially those with modern features like low-E glass, insulated frames, and double or triple glazing, can drastically improve your home's insulation. By reducing heat transfer, these windows help keep your home comfortable year-round, reducing the need for excessive heating and cooling. In the long term, Investing in energy-efficient windows can pay off by cutting down your utility bills and enhancing your home's energy profile. Enhanced curb appeal. Replacing your old, worn-out windows with stylish double-hung windows can also enhance your home's curb appeal. Whether you live in a traditional Ferndale home or a more modern property, double-hung windows come in a variety of styles, colors, and finishes to match your home's design. With their timeless appeal, double-hung windows can complement any exterior, adding value and creating a welcoming first impression for visitors. Work with local professionals. When you choose affordable double-hung window replacement services in Ferndale, it's important to work with experienced professionals who understand your local climate and building codes. Local window installers have a reputation to uphold within the community, so you can expect excellent customer service and high-quality workmanship. These experts will ensure that your windows are properly installed, making sure you get the most out of your investment. Conclusion. An affordable double-hung window replacement in Ferndale provides an excellent opportunity to enhance the comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal of your home without exceeding your budget. With numerous styles to choose from, you can enjoy the perfect balance of functionality and beauty. By partnering with experienced local window replacement professionals, you'll not only get great service but also save money in the long run through energy-efficient solutions. Upgrade your home with double-hung windows today and start enjoying the benefits of modern window technology.